Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Dyson Air Purifier error code E. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if your Dyson Air Purifier displays error code E, well, it means the device has stopped functioning normally. So the issue could be caused by low surrounding temperatures or problems with the filters. So how do you fix it? So first thing that you want to do here is you want to inspect the power outlet. Now, you want to unplug the air purifier from the socket and check the power cord for any visible damage. Now wait for around like 10 seconds to allow the purifier to soft reset here, and if possible, plug the purifier into a different power outlet. Ensure the power cord is firmly connected to the socket and turn the purifier back on and check if the error persists. Next is we want to check the surrounding temperature. Now ensure the room temperature isn't too cold, so the air purifier requires a minimum temperature of around like 5 Celsius to function properly. Now if the error persists, it might indicate an issue with the filter. So remove the filter and check for dirt or damage here, clean or replace the filter as needed. And if none of those actually work, it's best to contact Dyson customer support. So in this case, reach out to their customer support for assistance and even connecting to enable for them to connect you with a in this case technician to probably solve this specific issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.